see what we've got this week. 2 of those. Milk. 5p from 55. Langley Farm Yorkshire cottage cheese with chives from 135 to 34p. These were Tesco's strawberries in light syrup with a good date on them, 31st of the 12th 2022. Reduced on their reduced section, like last chance to buy, instead of £1 down to 25p. So we've got 2 of those. This again is Tesco's. Now this one had already been reduced because it's dated June, and it's June now, but it will certainly last a few months, if not longer, and I'll use it then, by then. Self-raising flour for cakes. It was originally reduced to 20p from, I don't think I ever saw it. Was it 60 or 40, 45? Anyway, I bought it for 5p. Lovely. And this was last chance to buy. I'll be posting them to somebody who can't get them. From £1 down to 67p. Olives with chilli and rosemary. And this is an example where you should look for own brands, where you can often get a really good deal. These are Tesco's own brand, ready salted crisps. They're actually cheaper than Lidl's, and these are 55p for a 6-pack. And these are Lidl, cheaper than branded variety, cholesterol lowering little yoghurty things. Not on special offer, but a cheap deal. 6 little ones for £1.45. And again, own brand. This is their cheaper own brand, again at Lidl. Simply mozzarella, 43p. So that's what I got today. Here we've got today's finds. We've got some satsumas, reduced from 125 to 31p at Tesco's. And then I called in at Lidl and I got this British Quark fat-free soft cheese, reduced from 65p to 45p. And I thought, what I'd do, I'll make a drop pancake, and with that flour I got reduced, with this cheese and maybe a tin of those, well, a few of those strawberries from that tin. So this is Wednesday, the 9th of June. Called at Morrison's, Sainsbury's and Tesco's. Morrison's have got their fresh coffee on special offer at the moment, down from £1.49 for a 227 gram bag, with a good day, April 22, 2022, down to £1.25. So I got 3 of those. 2 steak and kidney pies, reduced from £2 to 50p. There's only 1 left at the moment. Icelandic style yoghurt at Sainsbury's, down from 1.90 to 10p. Oranges at Tesco's, reduced from 1.35 to 34p. They'd started to reduce a few things on their tinned aisle. If you go to a smaller supermarket, every now and then they'll go up and down the aisles and see what's not selling quite so well, and they'll start to reduce it. So this beef casserole with a date of October 2023 was down from £1.50 to £1.20. There's only a couple of tins, or I might have waited to see if they reduced it a bit more, but that's good just to put in a store cupboard. Did I say about the hummus from Sainsbury's? Can't remember. 1.60 down to 10p. And again from Sainsbury's, a British celeriac down from 1.36 to 10p. They actually don't seem to have that much in the fruit and veg at the moment in most of the supermarkets. But when I went on the last chance to buy in Sainsbury's, I think this is one of my best buys. But this was, it had been £4. How much do you think this was? £30. £30 from £4. Where did I see that date? I'm sure it's 2020. Oh, it's there. April 2023. Down to £30. I was umming and ahhing. Shall I go back and get another one? But I thought, I think there were about 3 or 4. But I thought, no, I'll just buy the one. So that's going to be, I think there's one more video to go up. I'll link them all together and we'll just see what I've got over this week. Friday 11th of June, it was slim pickings at Morrison's, so I moved on to Sainsbury's. Got Bird's Eye 50 chicken nuggets frozen. Those were on clearance at £1. And I got some more, what are those? Clementines this time. Instead of 1.35, 10p. And then on their clearance section, these look to be, these are multivitamins with all those different vitamins. The date on them is the 6th of June. It's June 2021. But there's 15 in there, effervescent pills, £7.95 to 50p. So there's a month's supply really. Got 2 of those. Moved on to Tesco's. Plums from 59p to 15p. Grapes, £2 to 50p. And this is an example of why you should not always buy on the first reduction. On their reduced section, these were reduced once, and I've had them in my hand once, and I thought, no, I'll just wait, because there was quite a lot of them. And they eventually reduced them to 1.75. Those are supplements as well. Coenzyme Q10. And I had this in my hand once and put it back, and they've reduced it twice from 3.50 down to 1.93, and then they've reduced it again to £1.05. Lovely.